mission of accomplishment today was we now have a door with latches for the chicken coop. Need to secure that a little better. That one's holding up pretty good. I think I'm going to put a couple of screws in on that board right there. Yeah, a couple higher. And then the little chicken house is also now securable. Ah! That just stabbed me. Yeah. More like a sting. I don't see no blood. Anyways. And then instead of having that on the ground, we now put it up there. These were previously here, but we got that. And then I'm going to put another board in across the bottom so I can have some more nesting boxes. I got to secure this back wall more. But we've got more time to do that. So at this point, it is looking like are the beginnings of a chicken coop. Because we got little chickens coming on Friday. Most likely. Most likely Friday. Now I gotta pick up the tools. Chicken coop's coming along. They won't be ready for the coop yet. They're gonna be little bitty chicks. So we'll have them in a nice, safe, warm area until that is ready. Check this out. I wonder if that's what this was supposed to be for. For the little chickies. I think that's exactly what this is supposed to be. So you can have the little chickies in here. Is that you think what was in here?
Yeah, it's an extra flap.
Well, I know what that is. But was this for the little chickens?
Yeah, this was for babies when they had, when they started to get their feathers, so they were warmer. And then they could put them in here. You could also do this as, like, if you have two roosters, and you want to keep two separate, put one rooster in here, and then one rooster in here with a bunch of bitches type thing.
Okay. I'll just leave I gotta grab my tools. But there you go. Getting the homestead going.